Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Wirelessky Plate 9000. This is an ultra slim mobile power bank that has a 9000 milliamp hour capacity and comes in multiple color iterations, for instance rose gold as well as black, which you see in front of you. What makes this product pretty unique is the fact that it is ultra slim, but is made out of aluminum, so it does feel quite reassuring when you're using it and traveling around with it. At the same time, it retains a rather high capacity for such a small form factor and size. With that being said, as a 9000 milliamp hour capacity power bank, I would have liked to see two USB outputs as opposed to only one, which you can see on the bottom here, which means you could only charge one product at a time. However, this is a 5-volt 2.1 amp output, which means it is capable of charging power-hungry tablets in addition to smartphones. For instance, the Apple iPad will charge quite quickly using this power bank. Something to note quickly is this is not a Qualcomm Quick Charge enabled power bank, so it's not going to be compatible with the latest and greatest flagship smartphones. With that being said, the price at $30 is reasonable, more or less, for a fashionable power bank, even though it doesn't have the latest chip in terms of charging tech built in. Otherwise, the Plate 9000 also comes with a micro USB cable in the box, which is quite short, it's compact, it's bendy, and it's easy to take with you. And otherwise, it also features LED notification lights on the sides and is compatible with any Android, iOS, or Windows smartphone as well as tablets. It also has this quick instruction guide / user manual and can be found directly on Amazon as well as the company's website. So taking a quick look at the actual power bank and stacking it up in terms of size, I have with me here another power bank. This is the Lanfo, which is the M20000. We also checked this out. This is an 8000 milliamp hour capacity, so quite similar. You can see that the Wirelessky version is a bit longer, but also slimmer. It reminds me a little bit of the BL40 LG Chocolate series in terms of smartphones. If we have a phone here, we can see how it stacks up. It's quite similar in terms of the slimness. It is a bit longer depending on the handset that you will have with you. So taking a closer look at the design, you have tapered edges on the top and the bottom. You have some info about the capacity, the model number, and the other side features just a simple power on/off key, as well as a check for the notification and how much battery life is retained. It does a pretty good job of storing juice. Even though I left it for a few weeks, it seems to be still at full capacity. It also comes fully pre-charged out of the box. Each time you lose one indication light, you lose about 25%, so that's about the accuracy level that you can expect. And the USB port is pretty tightly integrated, so it doesn't really move around when you plug something in. So as a quick demonstration, I'm going to try to charge a smartphone with this. There we go. Push it all the way in. You can see that this is the charging rate that we're getting. So over here we have a phone. You can see that the charging has started automatically. This is a smart charger in the sense it's not going to overcharge your phone, and it will automatically stop once charging has been completed. At 9000 milliamp hours, you can fully charge an average Android and Windows smartphone around 3 times, I would say, and does a decent job of doing that. The iPhone 6s can be charged at around 1.5 to 2 times, and it will take roughly 3 hours to completely charge that. An Android phone will charge up in around 2 hours, so pretty good charging rate and performance. A larger tablet will take significantly longer. We got around an average of 4 hours in our testing and our labs, but it's a decent performance. We also like how the LEDs are completely white. That kind of creates a nice effect with the bold black coloring, so that creates a pretty dramatic visual effect overall. You can see that the charging rate, we are indeed getting 5.1 volts, so the actual output rate and performance is indeed as advertised, which is good. So overall, the Wirelessky Slim Plate mobile power bank is actually a pretty decent performer. It is something that's rather stylish and comes in different colors that you can choose from. And although performance isn't the best that we've seen, it is a solid performer for the sub $30 category if you're interested in that. Just know that it doesn't have the Qualcomm Quick Charge technology built on in, which at this price point doesn't make it the best value in the world. To learn more information about this power bank, be sure to check out our full written review. This has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Review.